Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will focus on the proper extraction of a hard drive from an HP tower. Before we start, make sure you have the necessary tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. This will help ensure that you don't damage any components while working. 1. Power down the computer. Begin by shutting down your HP tower completely. Unplug it from the power source to avoid any electrical hazards. If you have peripherals connected, it's a good idea to disconnect them as well. 2. Open the case. Most HP towers have screws at the back securing the side panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently slide or lift the side panel off to expose the internal components. 3. Ground yourself. Before touching any internal components, put on your anti-static wrist strap. This prevents static electricity from damaging sensitive parts of your computer. 4. Locate the hard drive. Find the hard drive within the case. It's typically secured in a bay with screws. Take a moment to identify the connections attached to it. Usually, there will be a data cable and a power cable. 5. Disconnect cables. Carefully detach the data and power cables from the hard drive. It's crucial to do this gently to avoid damaging the connectors. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure you have removed any screws or clips holding the cables in place. 6. Remove the hard drive. Now, locate the screws holding the hard drive in its bay. Use your screwdriver to remove these screws. Once they are out, you can gently slide the hard drive out of the bay. Make sure to support it with one hand as you remove the last screw to prevent it from falling. 7. Inspect and clean. With the hard drive removed, take this opportunity to clean the internal components of your HP tower. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other areas. This helps maintain optimal performance and cooling. 8. Professional help available. If you find this process daunting or do not have the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring that you won't need to make any calls or travel. 9. Final steps. After you've extracted the hard drive, you might want to consider your next steps, whether it's replacing the hard drive, upgrading, or simply backing up data. Always request a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. 10. Reassemble. If you're not replacing the hard drive immediately, reassemble the tower by reversing the steps. Secure the side panel back on and replace the screws. Following these steps will ensure a safe and effective hard drive extraction from your HP tower. If at any point you feel uncertain, remember our services can help simplify the process for you, ensuring your computer is handled with care. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.